Recently, my family has been running into some problems. My sister Alice, she has a selfie syndrome. She really enjoys taking selfies. Every time she finds the best angle, she has to raise her arm. My brother John is socially incompetent. He is not confident with his outlook. He only stays in his own world. My other brother Howard is very secretive. He is in the middle school and he is a geek. He swears to invent a cell phone that can protect his own privacy. Well, it's a pretty thing. But since last weekend, my parents and I changed their cell phones to Vivo X5 Pro.
You're gonna love these so much.
Everything changes. Howard no longer worries about someone peeking at his cell phone. Alice no longer needs to find a hard angle to take a prettier selfie. And loves to take pictures with everyone.
1, 2, 3. Everybody smile.
John suddenly starts to attract other girls. He starts to be confident. He even meets someone he likes. Our entire life has changed. I think I should get a Vivo X5 Pro too. Live smart, play smart, Vivo X5 Pro.